Many people all over the world are still unfamiliar with the concept of cryptocurrency. It is a brand new type of virtual currency that has quickly taken over the internet. But a lot of people think it's the future, and a lot of companies take it as payment for their services. The advantages of using cryptocurrency in your business will be covered in this video. We'll also go over the steps you need to take to use it in your company. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital coin that can be used as a means of payment online. It is a form of digital currency that has quickly swept the payment method, specifically online payments like PayPal, by storm. While it's still a new concept, many people believe it's the future, and many businesses accept it to receive payments for services. Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum are the most popular cryptocurrencies today, but other cryptocurrencies are growing as well. It's important to note that although cryptocurrency has not been on the rise ever since its introduction in 2009, it doesn't seem like the current hype about it will end anytime soon. Cryptocurrency is changing how many businesses operate. Here are the main advantages of using cryptocurrency in your business. Benefits of using cryptocurrency in your business. Decentralized. Decentralization implies cryptocurrency doesn't rely on central banks or any other financial institutions. At the same time, it's not bound by government regulations and can be transferred across the globe within seconds. Speedy transactions. Cryptocurrency decentralized feature makes it an ideal currency for international business transactions because of its speed and security features. People who try to pay by Bitcoin transactions can guarantee a convenient and seamless method to make payments for products and services. This makes crypto payment a better payment alternative than a credit card because credit card payments take a while for the payment processing to complete. Private and anonymous. Cryptocurrency is known for its privacy and anonymity. While details such as the user's name, physical address, or bank account number are required when conducting regular business transactions, there isn't any information attached to cryptocurrency transactions. Privacy and anonymity make it highly safe because people can send money online without revealing their identity in public records. Many businesses have been using cryptocurrency to provide an avenue of privacy, which is something that fiat currency can't offer. In this day and age, many want to have privacy because of the issues on cybersecurity such as data breaches and identity theft. However, these issues can lead to a loss of finances. With cryptocurrency transactions, there's anonymity because the users decide which personal information they will provide. Hence, you can attract new customers if they know you accept crypto aside from cash. Investment and income. Cryptocurrency is volatile, which makes it an aggressive investing option. However, it can be one of the best investments you can make for your business today. Another benefit of using crypto in your business is that it can provide your business with a steady source of income. Since cryptocurrency is not bound by any government, its value may increase or decrease each day depending on the market's demand for these digital currencies. However, know that this also means you need to be cautious when using cryptocurrencies in transactions since their values are subject to ongoing fluctuations like the stock market. Low transaction fee. The good thing with cryptocurrency payments is you don't have many fees involved when making online payments. This is because there are limited middlemen or intermediaries. Most companies and businesses accepting crypto can transact dealing directly with their customers or use an intermediary. If there's no intermediary, there's only a low transaction fee which can benefit small businesses. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you next time.